In this video, guys, I want to show you the best cards to buy on Hamster Kombat. Now, the cards you buy would actually help you to get the most profit per hour. And if you come over on Telegram here and you go over to the Hamster Kombat channel on the 6th of June, as you can see the date here, Hamster Kombat said, "Dear CEOs, due to the tremendous amounts of questions and comments, we want to set the record straight. Airdrop would depend on the profit per hour and some of other activities parameters that we will reveal later, not the coin balance. Play wisely." They went further to say, "We also wanted to let you know that we are currently experiencing issue with the server, blah, blah, blah. This is just, like other news. But this is the main news, that the airdrop will depend on the profit per hour and some other activity parameters that we will reveal later, not coin balance." Guys, what this simply means is that your coin balance is not going to matter much during the airdrop, but your profit per hour. And for you CEOs, you want to actually focus on activities that will help you to increase your profit per hour. And to increase this profit per hour, you need to buy more cards. Now, when buying cards, it can be quite tricky because you should be concerned about what are the cards that you can actually spend an average price of coins on and get the most profit per hour. For example, one card is telling you, get 10,000 use 10,000 coins to get 1,000 profit per hour. The second card is telling you, use 10,000 coins to get 500 profit per hour. Which one will you buy? Let me know in the comment section below. The first card telling you to use 10,000 coins to get 1,000 profit per hour, and the second card telling you use 10,000 coins to get 500 profit per hour. Which coin will you buy? Let me know which one you'll buy, the first or the second. Comment it down below. Now, I know that most of you will actually choose to buy the 1,000 profit per hour with your 10,000 coins because it is more profitable for you, right? Exactly the same way you go to the market and you want to spend, less for more. Exactly. So I see a lot of you making that mistake, and when you come, you are now crying on, how you can actually increase your profit per hour. I will show you the best cards that would actually help you to get the most profit per hour in this space today. And this is an updated video. I'm not talking about the video of 5 days ago or 1 week ago. And this is why this video is important. So what you want to do right now is to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel for updates. This is Spare and Coins, and we have the community here on YouTube, we have the community on Telegram, and also on Twitter. We drop every of the daily updates on all of these coins that will make you the most. From when we announced Notcoin up until now, we have been giving the most legit updates. Whether you like it or not, we still share because these are the updates that we've seen based on our analysis on every of these crypto projects. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel now and get updated. Now, when you come over here, this video is going to be of 2 parts because they're going to be of 2 parts. This first part, you want to watch it to the end and go ahead and buy these coins ASAP. Okay, then the second part, you will watch it later on. If you want to see that second part, I'm going to make that video for you. But then let me know, tell me in the comments, say, yes, I want to see that second video. I will make that video for you guys. If I see at least 10 comments about the second video in the comment section, at least 10, I'll make the second video and show you guys the remaining part of this card. So expect like 4 or 5 cards here today. What are the coins that you should buy? The first thing first is that you have actually heard that you want to buy coins that have what we call cooldown period, right? The coins with a golden ring after purchase. For example, if I say, let me buy this coin right now, you would see that on buying this coin, there's a cooldown period with this golden ring around it, right? Just look right here on this particular coin. You can see the way the golden ring is on it. Now, this is actually a factor of seeing that a coin might actually have some value around it. Because not all cards have this golden ring around it. This is called the cooldown period. You can see again, I just purchased the coin again. I just purchased the card again, and you can see the cooldown period here. Okay. Now, nevertheless, even with a couple of cards having this cooldown, because a couple of cards in a special tab have a cooldown period. Let me buy on that one. You can see this one already has a cooldown period as well. This card too has a cooldown period. Most of the cards on the specials have cooldown period. And this is why I want to now show you the cards that you must buy. Okay. Now, these cards are, I've seen that these cards that give you the most profit per hour are one of the newest cards that have been introduced in the Hamster Kombat system. The very first one was what they announced here, 11th of June. Is where they said on their Telegram channel, pre-market is coming. And this is a new card, pre-market. The price is 1 million coins and you get 7,500 profit per hour. Now, this coin is on the special tab. And when you go over to this special tab, you can see the coin here available for pre-market. Okay. So I have gotten this coin and I've gotten even to the level 2. But then one of the things you actually want to notice, when you tap on this particular card, for example, this card will give you 8.59 profit per hour. 8.59 profit per hour. Now guys, watch this, because here it says it will give you 15,000 profit per hour. But when you tap, it's giving you 8.59 profit per hour. The question here is it worth it for you to buy this card? Because look here, we have 255,000 profit per hour. Let us go back and get that card. Okay, let's buy this card. Now this card is going to be bought at 1.2 million coins. Let me proceed to buy this card. You see that there's a cooldown period on this card, but then it's saying that I will get like 8,000 profit per hour, and you can see it has been topped up here on my profit per hour. Okay, now let's go back. This is the first coin you are looking for. But then there's a condition to this coin. The condition is you must invite one friend. Now, the second card that you want to go ahead and make sure you buy as well is the next one that they dropped on their Telegram channel as well. It says, welcome to India. That's the name of this card. That's the license for India. And you're going to be using 45,000 coins and get 2,500 profit per hour. And the condition here is you need 3 friends. If you don't have 3 friends, you won't be able to unlock this. This is why you want to follow us on Twitter and you are actually sharing your links. People have been getting a lot of referrals from our Twitter handle. You want to also do the same. Okay, but let's go ahead and get this card. Now for this, we go over to legal and we're going to scroll down and look for license India. And you can see here 45,000 coins for 2.5 profit per hour. When we click on it, you can see 45,000 profit per hour is 2.5k. It is different. Unlike the other one that said we'll get 15,000 profit per hour, and when we clicked on it, it was showing 8,000 instead of 15,000. You can see this one. So you want to buy it. So I'm going to click on go ahead. And you can see there's also a cooldown period. All right. I can proceed to buy on level 2 again, but then I have to wait for the cooldown period. Okay, it's done. I'll click on go ahead and buy more. I can click again. After the cooldown period, I can buy more of this particular card. Okay, remember that our previous profit per hour was 264 thereabout. So let me just buy 3 of this and then I'll check. You can see now it has even increased to about 3k plus. Let's check this and you can see we have 272 from 264. Let's continue. Now the next card we are going to buy is the license Indonesia. License Indonesia is going to give you 5,000 profit per hour for 100,000 coins. Let's go over to legal, go over to license Indonesia, and you can see that here. And it says we're going to be using 100,000 coins for 5,000 profit per hour. When we tap on it, you see it is 5,000 profit per hour. Okay. I remember we had 272k profit per hour. I'm going to buy this now. You see, it has a cooldown period. But in order to get this, you need 4 referrals. You need 4 friends at least to get this. Go ahead and follow us on Twitter. Drop your links so that we will be able to get referrals and get all of these coins. Remember, they already told you that your profit per hour is what will be counted for airdrops. You don't want to miss this. Okay? See again, it says we're getting more at this price. Now, the next card we want to buy is Layer 0 listing. This is also another new card from Hamster Kombat. Layer 0 listing. It is going to give you 10,900 profit per hour for 10,000 coins. Now you want to go over to market, and once you're market here, you scroll down and you can see Layer 0 listing. Tap on it. You see 900 per hour for 10,000, and you go ahead. You can actually tap on it again after the cooldown, right? After the cooldown, and you can proceed to buy it again. All right, buy it again. Now increase your levels. Now the thing is, this particular card has no conditions. Okay, this particular card has no conditions. All right, now this card I've shared with you guys right here are cards that you actually want to run up and buy right now. Once you buy this card, let me know in the comment section below. Tell me, yes, I have bought this card. Let me know in the comment section below. Even if you leave this video and you go out, you buy the card, come back, please. Come back and say, I have bought this card for me. Okay. Now, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long, so I want to make another video where I'll share with you other cards that you must buy to increase your profit per hour. Let me know in the comment section below if you are actually interested in the video part 2, and tell me, I want the part 2 of this video, and I would actually be ginger. Like I said, if I have 10 people comment that, I would make the second video. Okay, so do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. Let other people know. In the world of this crypto project, airdrop can get to everybody, but it is on those who have the updates.